So the reason I'm being quiet is because I'm gonna go tell the kids that the coach is ready today. So this is gonna be our last morning in this house in Calgary. Yes.
So it appears there's a complication to us leaving Calgary and possibly even the country. I need to go talk to Ali. I don't know how I am ever going to tell this to him, but I feel ridiculous.
The RV is being washed and it's gonna be ready by noon. So I'm gonna go downstairs and tell the crazy people, I mean the kids, and see what they say. Let's go.
Seriously, I'm hiding in the closet. I don't know what to do. I've got to go tell him and I got to like think through this.
But guess what, you guys?
Huh? Oh, die. Yay! No.
It's gonna be ready by noon.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, this is the excited reaction I was expecting.
Daddy, can you bring the cake?
What?
Can you please bring the cake?
Make it. We have cake from yesterday.
No, she means can we bring?
Oh, can we bring the cake? Yes, we can bring the rest of Jonah's cake.
Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to go down. I'm just going to simply have to explain what's going on and go from there. Wish me luck.
Hello, good morning.
Hi. Can I have
All right. We have a complication.
No, we don't.
What is due?
I see the pile of passports and I'm really afraid of what you're about to say.
Yeah.
What's the complication?
My passport expired 2 weeks ago. On October 7th. And I don't know if they're going to let me leave the country or re-enter the U.S. I don't know if there's even an embassy here.
This is so not good.
Okay, I was really worried about, you know.
You're like an illegal resident.
We were supposed to be back, you know, August, maybe early September, and just never occurred to me. I mean, I looked at probably in the spring when we decided, okay, whether or not we needed to renew passports. I guess I should have.
Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Well, let's go.
I'm still getting laughed at.
I can't wait to tell your mom.
He's just looking forward to telling everybody.
I do it.
He loves when I'm wrong. This is like twice in a row. Big ones.
I just want you to tell your mom.
Not only did I strand us in the country, but I stranded us in the country.
I order you. You're illegal. Okay, Ma, you there?
Yeah, I'm still getting laughed at. And now he's called my mom.
Okay, so.
He's called my mom to tell on me.
So we're gonna get the RV back today. But your daughter is an illegal alien. her passport. Call Donald Trump because her passport expired 2 weeks ago, so she can't go back.
Nope.
She's gonna have to cross the border illegally. Can you send her a backpack and some water?
Oh my gosh, Jenny, I told you about stuff like that. What are you gonna do? You can't leave her there.
He might have to.
I'm gonna have to drop her off at the border, and she's gonna have to sneak around like ninja style, and then
Oh my gosh.
she's gonna have to.
Is she gonna have to like lay down on her belly and crawl on your stuff and get across the border, and then you guys pick her up down the road?
It's exactly, yeah. She's gonna be like a ninja. She's gonna be on Fox News, and I'm gonna get arrested for like aiding and abetting.
Yeah, watch me cross the border, and Ollie's the one who gets arrested because he's Arab.
Yeah, for bringing in an alien. Oh my God. Well, what are you gonna do to fix it? Tell me that.
Well, there's a U.S. consulate here, and we're hoping maybe I can get a renewal there.
If it ain't one thing, it's another with you two. Why can't you just do normal stuff like normal families?
We're gonna go to a normal.
Just go on a 2-week vacation and go home.
We're gonna go to a normal jail.
Well, if she thought she was never gonna live down backing into that tree,
I know.
she's never gonna live this down.
I know. I stranded my family in Canada, and I've stranded myself in Canada.
If she gets put in jail, it'll give her plenty of time to write her book.
Thanks, Mom.
How Not to Cross the Border by Jennifer Alhaj.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Wait till I go home and tell Dad.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's not going to be his proudest moment as a father. But like father, like daughter, you have to admit it, right?
I know.
It's exactly the kind of thing. It's exactly the.
It's something you would do.
It really is. Except that I did it.
You're just like him.
All right. I love you, Mom. Say hi to Dad for me.
I love you too. Be careful.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We always know we're close when we get near that sign in Beer We Trust.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. Wait, it's coming up. There it is. Wait.
Here.
In Beer We Trust.
Uh,
Oh yeah, Canada. Is she gonna be out in the street waiting for us?
I don't see her.
Is she gonna be in the bay?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yep.
Oh, it's flying. Okay.
Is she here? No, she's
She's
still
not
inside.
out. Okay. So we get to go in and find her.
So she's still
Oh, she'll be so happy to see us. Maybe not me.
Keep that woman away from me. Okay.
Okay.
Yay!
This is it.
There's Mr. Dale.
It's the big day.
This is Dale, the man in charge of
Man with the plan.
the man in charge of getting our coach back to us.
Yeah.
Calgary
Well, let's
heavy
have a look.
truck and collision.
Make sure it looks good first. That's most important.
Yeah, that would be a good thing. All right.
Wow, there she is.
Wow. She looks so shiny, Captain.
So shiny.
That's always good.
Yeah.
Like I said, we cheated on this side.
Wow.
We clear coated the whole side,
Whoa.
so you can't see the
Wow.
difference.
She looks
So we fixed the ones that needed to be
Beautiful.
repaired,
Uh-huh.
and then we just turned and scuffed the rest of the panels. And that way, when we did the clear coat at the end, we just did the whole lower side.
Wow.
So you can't see a difference in the color.
She's beautiful. Thank you.
Oh no, hey.
Sean said they were getting new hardware because this is.
Okay, I'd have to ask John because I'm not to my
Yeah,
it
he
wasn't
did.
on my estimate.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I know. Well,
Talk about it so it looks
because
good.
because that's when they ripped it. I wanted because these are even loose. You know what I mean? You see what I mean? I can turn them by hand. So I just want to make sure that the door doesn't you know, like the door doesn't pull out.
Actually, I'm just using this as
So Jenny, you want to walk us through this?
Okay, so we came to pick up the coach. Everything was going well. Just the hinge still needed to be replaced on the door. And there was just, I guess, a miscommunication. Like the whole hinge was broken and needed to be replaced. And they thought it was just the pins, so the bolts. So when they removed the bottom hinge, the whole door fell to the ground and destroyed the paintwork that they had just done on it. So we have to move out of this house and get it ready for the next people coming in. And instead of like pushing the limit tomorrow and probably not getting it done on time, we decided to go ahead leave the door with them today.
And literally saran wrap the coach.
So all of you have joked about us being bubble wrapped, and this is like the closest we've gotten to it, right? In any case, we're gonna be able to come back tomorrow, get the door put on.
And see what else falls off then.
We should be good. I think this is worse
Hopefully.
for these guys than for us, right? You guys okay with being on YouTube and all?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
All right.
It's probably
So, one more bump in the road, no pun intended. But
And that should be it.
yeah, hopefully this is it.
Alrighty.
All
I
right.
look at it this way. If there's a bump on the road, you won't have to worry about your door falling off.
Yeah, right. If the whole coach is totaled, we've got a good door.
Yeah.